this is how we judge for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In these, we're going to do a comparison between iPhone 13. You can see here I have base version with iPhone 14 Plus. Both of them are connected with same Wi-Fi in this case. Okay, so let's start with YouTube Music. Here we go. We have YouTube Music in both the phone. I hit 1, 2 and 3. iPhone 14 loads faster YouTube Music. To confirm, we close all the things open here in these two. So one more time, we check YouTube Music. Here we go. 1, 2 and 3. This time is almost similar, but I think iPhone 14 still has little edge. Now we'll go to Facebook, most popular app. Here we go. Facebook. 1, 2 and 3. Almost similar, identical, I can say that. I don't see a big difference in these. Let's do one more time. 1, 2 and 3. In this case, iPhone 13 load faster some of the things I can see. So you guys decide that. Close all and we'll try one more app, that is YouTube in this case. 1, 2 and 3. iPhone 13 is faster in this case. So we do one more time this test. 1, 2 and 3. iPhone 13 boot faster in this case very easily. So Apple doesn't have improved anything in iPhone 14. You can see very easily, guys. I think it's basically same phone, same type of processor, same type of RAM. You guys decide. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.